So my friends asked me at a party the other day, Alex, should we wait until the mortgage rates drop before we start our home search? Definitely no. When rates come down, buyers come to town. There's evidence when interest rates come down, buyers feel more confident to re-enter the real estate markets, especially when the consensus is that rate declines are not a matter of if anymore, but rather when. Here's some of my thoughts on this. Yes, rates could be coming down this year or the following year. How much? No one knows for sure. But one thing is for certain is that the massive succession of increases is likely over. That may be even more important to buyers who fear that higher rates contribute to falling prices as pricing adjusts to the needs of affordability. At that moment when things turn around, an opportunity exists to step in while many are still hesitant. It's really just a brief window usually. If you look at the trends of up and down real estate, the dip down before it turns around is a rather short window. And 3, hesitant buyers from out of town read the headlines and news. And recently the shift from a few years of consistently bad news to a more of a positive narrative fuels what many home buyers think but often don't mention: the potential to buy now with upside before everyone else steps in. So while lower rates generally fuels new buyer activity, this is equally important in unlocking the seller activity too. 1, those who pause selling because they didn't want to market their home in a buyer's market are going to consider listing now. We're still seeing tight inventory levels and multiple bidding scenarios in some markets. 2, those who pause selling and who also need to buy are now listing since they feel more confident about buying again. This is, however, mainly tied to the single-family home market, while the condo market is still experiencing downward pressure and high inventory levels in most of the sectors of San Francisco. And 3, sellers who understand the advantage of selling when inventories are still low, combined with rising buyer confidence, usually hits the sweet spot. So yes, lower rates unlock all markets, not just the buyer's market. This has been your trusted real estate advisor, Alex Kieran. And for more real estate tips and tricks and everything about San Francisco Bay Area trends, follow 415 Residents for more. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue providing this valuable information for you and the masses.